Hey everyone, it's Linda from Living Linda Abroad. I just filed my US taxes, but now it's time to file in Portugal too. If you're an American expat wondering how this works, I'll walk you through what I've learned, especially if, like me, you're under the old NHR tax regime. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a tax expert or accountant, just someone living it in real time. So do your own research and talk to a professional for personalized advice. As a U.S. citizen, you're required to file a federal tax return no matter where in the world you live. That means even though I live in Portugal, I still have to file with the IRS every year. And because I'm considered a tax resident here in Portugal, I also have to file a Portuguese tax return, the IRS Modelo 3. So yes, it's double the paperwork, double the deadlines, and double the espresso to get through it all. In Portugal, the tax season runs from April 1st through June 30th, and everything is filed online through the Portal das Finanças. It's entirely in Portuguese, which can make it a bit of a challenge if you're not fluent. If you're unsure about the forms or requirements, I highly recommend working with a local accountant who has experience helping expats. If you lived in Portugal more than 183 days in a year, or if Portugal is your habitual residence, you're considered a tax resident and you need to file. That includes reporting your worldwide income, even if your money is coming from outside of Portugal. Portugal wants to know how you're supporting yourself while living here, even if you're not earning income locally. In my case, I'm currently living off savings, so I don't have employment income or a pension yet. But even though I'm not earning a paycheck, I still need to report any income from interest, dividends, or capital gains, even if I'm just pulling from investment accounts. I'm also under the old NHR regime, which gives me a 10% flat tax rate on certain types of foreign income like pensions. But here's the thing, it's not automatic. You still have to file the right forms and report everything clearly to benefit from the NHR status. And just a reminder, I'm not a tax pro and this isn't financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I've experienced to help others avoid surprises. If your financial situation is super simple, you might be able to file yourself using the online system. But if you're under NHR, living off investments, or have US ties, it can get complex fast. I work with a Portuguese accountant who understands both the US and Portuguese systems. It's been a huge relief, especially with NHR rules and reporting requirements. Save your records. Portugal can request them years later. Convert all income into euros using the official exchange rate from Banco de Portugal. The filing deadline is June 30th, and yes, there are penalties for filing late. And don't forget to file your FBAR if you have more than $10,000 in foreign accounts. You can do this online, link is in the description. So yes, life abroad is amazing, but tax season is definitely a reality check. Still, with some planning and help, it's totally doable. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss future videos about life, taxes, and everything in between here in Portugal. Let me know in the comments, are you under NHR too? How was your experience filing? See you next time on Living Linda Abroad.